Hi everyone, my name is Yuka Nakasone, Globalization and Localization Director at Intento, an AI and MT curation platform company based in Berkeley, California. My guest today is Allison Ferch, Executive Director at GALA, a nonprofit trade association in the global language industry. Allison, thank you for coming.
Thanks, Yuka. I'm happy to be here and I'm happy to see you on camera and be with you today. Thanks for inviting me.
Yeah, it's been long since we met each other. It's true. It
Yeah.
was a little crazy year, right?
Yeah, just a little.
Yeah. So, first of all, we have an exciting announcement. Intento became a member of GALA last month. We are so excited to be amongst other industry leaders to share information and contribute in advancement of the industry together.
Yeah, well, welcome. We're really glad that you just decided to join. And I've been talking with Constantine for many years now, I
Mm.
think, and we're glad to have you among the members. It's nice to have another technology focused company, one that's focusing on AI because it's a hot topic
Yeah.
and we need expert sources of information and people who are willing to share knowledge on that subject with the membership and with the industry community. So thanks and welcome. We're happy to have Intento.
Thank you very much. And I can't wait how we can work together. So, another topic is Gala Connected 2021. It's amazing. It's just around the corner, right?
Yes.
And yeah, again, Konstantin Savenkov, our CEO, will be participating in the conference, and he's talking about uh, pricing around machine translation because it's one of the hot topic in this industry right now, and
Yeah.
maybe many people are interested in. So, would you like to share about the conference, Alison?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, first I'll say we're excited about this topic and this presentation because the the pricing of machine translation services and services related to that, like post editing, has been a tough nut to crack, as we like to say in English. And it's a topic that a lot of suppliers would like to have more clarity on, and absolutely more buyers would like to have clarity on. You know, anytime there's something new with new definitions and different scope than what everybody's used to, there's confusion. And I would say that we're working on resolving that problem, but I think it'll be a fruitful discussion that Constantine's going to lead on that topic. We're happy to have it. The rest of the conference is, since you asked me about it, I'll
Yeah,
just say a little bit about it.
please.
The focus was, the theme is revolutions unfolding, and revolutions is a bit of an overstatement, but it's undeniable that especially in the last year we've seen digital acceleration. Our industry was always pretty, I would say, ahead of the curve in that regard, but even we have seen changes due to the pandemic, and a lot of the content producers being accelerated in going digital, and that means that all of the suppliers are seeing a lot of change and having to
Yeah.
adapt, and we wanted to address that. So we're looking at different aspects of it, like for example looking at the supply chain, or looking at, you know, what's different in talent development, you know, what
Mm.
kind of upskilling or reskilling do people need to do to be competitive now. Of course, technology is always everybody's favorite topic, and so we have quite a few presentations and discussions
Mhm.
around different technology changes, and that's where Constantine's comes into play.
Wow, it's so much. It seems like you have a full conference. I mean, it's 3 days, right? From
Three
March,
days,
yeah, March 23, 24, and 25.
right? And then on the Friday, on the 26th, we
Mhm.
do basically a half day of product demos.
Oh,
And so if you want to go all in, and those are always free and open to anybody, not just the people who register for the conference. And it's a good opportunity if you're looking for new technologies to listen in on those. But yeah, 3 days. We tried to shorten it just a little bit. Our time zone where GALA headquarters is in Seattle, Washington. So I'm in the Pacific time zone, not maybe ideal for Europeans like you. And so we do record everything, and it's a busy schedule. We know people probably can't attend all the time. I mean, like commit a full day. So this is why we record. You can watch it on demand later.
Yeah, I miss in-person conference, but one of the best, let's say, thing about online conference is you can miss a session, but you can still watch it.
Yeah.
So that's great, I think.
Yeah. And I think the other great thing about online conferences is that we're seeing a different composition to the audience, whereas GALA conferences have traditionally drawn executives and sales executives, so CEOs and maybe business development managers. We see more diversity. We see project managers and linguists, vendor managers, and a broader spectrum of. Well, let me just say, and I hope this doesn't sound like a pejorative, but the rank and file, the people at the company that are doing the work day in and day out, not only the CEOs. So we're really pleased that it becomes more accessible to more people.
Yeah, it sounds great. So again, Konstantin is participating in panel discussion about one of the hot topics in the industry, pricing with machine translation. It's going to be Wednesday, March 24th, 10:30 a.m. Pacific time. So we also have a webinar with GALA scheduled for May. Konstantin Sabenkov is going to discuss a new language generator, GPT-3. This is a new technology, new AI that create content. It's not about translation, and it certainly revolutionized our way of working, I think. So please don't miss it.
Yes, it's a great topic for us to be addressing. Natural language generation is sort of the next big hot topic, I would say, related to AI. We began to address it with a webinar in January. It'll be great to continue that conversation and look at this particular project. And as I said earlier, I think it's wonderful when we have experts within the membership that are willing to share their knowledge and help their peers with understanding, especially new technologies, which aren't always easy to grasp. And so it's nice to have a tour guide for that. We're looking forward to that webinar. And I'll just use this opportunity to say that we really do rely on our members to provide expert content. And in the spirit of building community and kind of improving everybody's prospects, we encourage sharing knowledge. So yes, any other members that want to share expert content, we'd love to listen.
Great. And anyways, there are more to come in the future, and we're very excited to become a member and further collaboration through our membership. Thank you very much for coming, Allison, today.
Thanks very much for having me. And again, welcome to GALA. We're looking forward to keeping you engaged.
Thank you very much.